Hi dear student. Today we will teach about PNP and NPN transistor. What are the transistor? The transistor word is made of transfer of resistor, which means that the transistor can change or may control the flow of current in circuit by transferring value of a resistance. Transistor was firstly developed and discovered by Bronte and Shockley in Braille laboratory, and they found that it was much utilized, less power consumable, high efficiency, long lifetime with respect electronics wall. So it was widely used, and due to transistor, the shape and size of computer is highly decreased and speed is pushed up. Now there are two type of transistor. First is NPN transistor and second is PNP type transistor. Transistor is is So what is the difference between NPN and PNP transistor? The transistor is just a junction of two diode. As we know that diode is just construct of P type semiconductor and N type semiconductor, where P is highly doped semiconductor and it P shows the large charge carrier which are holes, and it is due to element of third row in periodic tables like aluminum, B, beryllium, aluminum, gallium and iridium. This will give the P type of semiconductor. On the other hand, in construct N type semiconductor, we have to use the element of fifth column in periodic table, which are phosphorus, arsenic, antimony and bismuth, etc. So PNP transistor is made of two junction of PN diode. Here we can see easily that in NPN transistor it is a NPN transistor symbolic, and here we can say that in symbol form it is used like this. Here ammeter is always shown by a arrow, and on the other hand the base is just structured at the center of B and C, and collector is another side. E and C, ammeter and collector are made of same materials. On the other hand, the base is opposite of them. In NPN transistor, emitter is highly doped area of impurity of fourth column. This because of this there are the large carrier charge carrier are electron, so it is called N, and C is less doped than emitter, but it has wide area than emitter. Base is a just junction point and very thin and low doped with respect to E and C, and it's just like behaves as a gate between ammeter and collector. On the other hand, if we would like to talk about PNP transistor, then there is P is emitter here. C is also p-type semiconductor and base is n-type conductor. In PNP transistor, the large charge carriers are hole. On the other hand, in NPN transistor, the large amount of charge carriers are electron. This is the main and whose difference between NPN and PNP transistor. So, like same, it is just reverse of NPN transistor, but in order to show PNP transistor in symbolic, we use this diagram. Here emitter is shown by a arrow. The fundamental difference between symbol NPN and PNP transistor is that in NPN transistor arrow comes outwards. On the other hand, in PNP transistor arrow comes into circle. Because of this, in PNP transistor, the P is made of hole. Hole behaves like a positive charge carrier. When it is emitted to base, then the current will flow in this direction. According to classical electrodynamics, the flow of direction of positive charge is known as the direction of current. So, in PNP transistor, the current will flow E to B. So, we use this arrow E to B direction. On the other hand, in NPN transistor, here N is made of highly for fifth column impurity. Because of this, there are large carrier are electrons. So, when these electrons are emitted to base, then emitted electrons comes E to B, means of that here negative charge is increases and positive charge is decreases. As a result of this positive charge decreases, so we can say on the other hand that from in this zone the positive charge going outwards, means of that the direction of current B to E. So, we use this symbol B to C to represent the direction of current in NPN transistor. In next lecture, we will discuss about what is the parameter of transistor, what is the load line and stabilize of biasing, necessary of biasing and numerical problems on related with transistor. Thank you.